actually kinetic sand set. Do you know, guys, what kinetic sand is? Come on, I'll tell you. Kinetic sand is good. It is a type of toy that grown-ups or kids can play with. And did you know, if you're a very active kid like me, this is a good toy because it'll help you if you're like really bored. It'll help you with your fingers and it'll make you like strong. Your fingers will be more strong. And let me tell you, use it because it's really good. It really helps you. And it comes like some stuff for it, like a spoon, some cherry stuff like here, and a glass cup so you can make ice cream sundae, a waffle maker, and I thought when I got this that it was the Oreo, but it's actually a small circle ice cream sandwich. And here we have like a 3 mixture cone ice cream, and we have some stuff here. So the pink one is strawberry, and here's scents. Of course, the brown one is chocolate, and white as snow is vanilla. You have the scoop, and you can make like some sprinkles there. Let's get to the fun part of stuff. So let's see what's inside from here. So many stuff. We have a lipstick here, and we have the little spoon we saw, and the little clipper thing. We have the chocolate milk. Strawberry. The glass cup. This waffle maker, and you can also make ice cookies and like a spiral here. The scoop, and where you put your ice cream flavors. And another ice cream cone, and here is the instructions. So, we have 3 scented. We have the vanilla one, and it's 2. They actually smell like real. So this one actually smells like vanilla. And this one actually smells like strawberry, really good. And the yummiest one smells like chocolate. So let's get to it. So soft. The real sand. You can just clean it up. Just get it. Look at the top. Really, it does smell like strawberry. Real strawberry. A little bit sweet, but still smells like strawberry. The chocolate we need rings. Let's just get a little bit. Chocolate pie. Now this is the softest one. It's one better than this. Here we have the things that use like a waffle maker, and you can put like something here. And let's see the inside part. You can even put a waffle to make. And you can even put a cookie. Here's the waffle side. Cool. And here I have the ice cream cone. And inside has like a cool swirl. Looks like you can make something in there. And here's the cup finally for the ice cream sundae. Here's a little scooper, and you can put like a space here in the back for sprinkles. It's like a silver kind of like. Here you have the stuff, and here where you put the ice cream, there's like a little strawberry with some ice right there. So that must be where the pig goes. Here has a big like chocolate bar, and that must be where the chocolate. The last one has like a little ice cream, like it looks like a little white, so it must be for the vanilla. So let's do the accessories here. Okay. We have a little cherry, a little pineapple, some like blueberries or blackberries, I don't know, but they're berries. And we have like finally a cute little lemon. Oh, and we have a gummy bear. Oh, there's a gummy bear, a yellow gummy bear, and a blue strawberry so we can put here. Let's get ready. So now I'm going to put this where they belong. So let's get the strawberry here. Got a big handful and put it inside. Now we can get a whole handful of this nice gummy smelling chocolate. But the first one, it's already dumping inside. I hope you don't get any of the strawberry. It's alright though. Now we're getting Mr. White. Oh, a big marshmallow vanilla there. So let's get scooping it up here. I got my little scooper. Let's get one of these ice creams. Let's see which one. What? Vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry? I'm going for strawberry. Take a big scoop out. I'm so excited to do this part. We got a new ice cream. Okay, let's put it on here. Delicious. Let's put it in one more. And let's get a gummy bear and top it off. Cute, so cute. It's actually fun. I want you to put it on the side. This one. And put it on top. Okay, it's getting heavy. Let's do it up. We got a new one. Okay, let's see. There it goes. Hopefully that one is better than the other one. We have two. Now let's go make the ice cream sandwich part. It's so cool. See, there we go. See if it. Let's make a rainbow ice cream sundae. Okay, got a little scoop. Let's start with white.